will talk about more in details that how to set up the colors and everything. But right now I just want to go to different parts of the platform. So here you are seeing this is the price, and in the bottom you see the time. So at a particular time, right, I mean this line, this the current price is 1.1131, and the time is, so if I want to check that what is the current price of that one. So here is the cross. When you click on this, so the mouse will give you a cross. So the cross will give you, for example, if I want to see what was the price when that candle was went to highest point. So the price was 1.1091, and the time is 2019 12:02. So this is the time, and this time 1800 is the broker time. So if whatever the time zone is for the broker is showing that time. So so this is the, that's how you see the price. And in the bottom you seeing that in the trade, if you click on the trade, it will show you the live trades, and once the order is closed, then it will go to a history. For example, if you want to buy, you click on it, new trader, new order, and select the volume. For example, I select 0.01 and just click on select. It means that the order is instant order, sell order, USD at 1.11311, price is done. So in the live trade you are seeing that that order has been placed, and I am minus 0.04 dollar loss, because there is a spread always. I mean the buying and selling price is different, so that's going on. So I just place a sample trade. This one is the chart shift. So you are seeing that the chart price is very close to the right side. If you want a little bit space, you can click on it, and you're seeing that now it's a space there. So we can put lines or our analysis that what's market going on. Maybe, I mean, you can put a trend line or something like this, right? So that's why I like the chart to be shift, so it has a little bit room there. Now, for example, if you want to close that order, just select on it and then close the position, and that order is gone. And now it is history. If you click on a history, you can see that you place one order at that price, you sell at that price. So the net balance is, profit or loss is minus 0.05. So that's how we trade. And one more thing, there are different types of charts. So this is called the candle chart, because you're seeing the price is in the candle. You can also see the bar chart. This one is the bar chart. You can zoom in and zoom out. So you are seeing that these are the bars. So basically this is the opening price of the bar, and then this is closing price of the bar. Same like candles. This is opening, this is closing, this is opening, this is closing. And there is also one more chart type, which is the graph chart. So line chart, sorry. I don't use that much, but this is also used for the analysis. Mostly I use this candle chart, but you can use the bar chart also. These are the just the views, nothing to do with the trading. Whatever you like, they are okay. Um, so that's about it. And I mean, you can apply multiple indicators here. Uh, Also, you can change the windows, like this is a windows, so you can arrange vertically, you can arrange horizontally, right? Or you can do like this, one window, one chart form by maximizing it. So right click on the charts and click on the time frames. This is the important toolbar. You can arrange the toolbar here. So M1 is basically 1 minute chart, M5 is 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. And you can zoom out or zoom in for that one. So that's the chart. And there is one more thing. Uh, you can right click on it and customize, go to customize, and you will see the different shapes like a rectangle, uh, ellipse, and there should be one triangle. Yeah. So this one is also important when we analyze the chart. We mark somewhere, like for example I can put this one here, and you can go to right click on it, then properties, and in the property you can change the color, draw object as background, parameters, fill. So if I say fill, and I can change the color, I want a little bit lighter. Okay, so you see the color is changed. I can increase the size, this one. So these small objects are, we, we use it when we analyze the market, like this line. I want to see that, okay, that's the price, and what market did when last time when it that price. You can see that it was bounce, 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 right? And then so you can put multiple lines. You can change the color of the line, double click on it, go to properties, and change the color, you whatever you want, yellow color maybe. And you can drag, drop the lines, same like with the objects. You can drag and drop the objects. These are the called the trend lines, so you can draw the lines, and same you can go to properties and can change the color when you want. And you can delete that one, delete, double click on it, delete. Sometimes it's hard to delete and select these things or objects. So what you can do is go to right click on it and then go to object list. In object list it will be all the objects which are there, right? So you can select, deselect, or even you can delete that one. You can select this one, delete. So for example I want to delete this rectangle, select this one, delete this line, delete. All right. And same like indicators, if you want to put indicator on it, for example if I want to put parabolic SAR, just right click on it, click on it, set the properties, colors, and click on it, so the indicator will be applied here. And you can also delete this one, is like go to right click on it and then go to indicator list, you can delete like a moving average and parabolic SR. So I want to delete this one, so select on this and then delete, and it's gone. So this one, I think this the basic introduction of the MetaTrader 4. You can go and download the MetaTrader 4 and select the different options. If you have any question, please put in the comment, and do subscribe if you did not subscribe yet, so that you can get notification about my latest videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.